Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my family's favorite vegetable dish, sautéed soybean sprout with sour cabbage. This dish is not only sour and salty, but also sweet and spicy, and yet is simple enough to make. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Pickled sour cabbage is available in Asian grocery stores. Soak in water for 2 hours, then wash and rinse well. Here is the soybean sprout, which is different from the regular bean sprouts. You can see there's a yellow bin at the tip. Remove the tail of each soybean sprout. Wash, then drain well. Peel and mince ginger and garlic. Remove seed from chili pepper and dice it. Wipe dry the sour cabbage and cut into thin strips. The Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, chicken powder. Heat pan, add sour cabbage, toast dry for a minute. Push cabbage to the side and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Sauté ginger and chili pepper at medium heat. Add garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add wine, sauté. Add vinegar, sugar, and chicken powder. Add bean sprouts, sauté, then add soy sauce and water. Sauté, then cover and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the soybean sprouts soften and the sauce dries up. Sauté briefly, then scoop out. There shouldn't be too much sauce in this dish. Smells good. Let me try a bite. Very yummy. The easy and delicious sautéed soybean sprout with sour cabbage is now ready to serve. Enjoy!